This video is sponsored by BAGSMART. I don't know about you, but I prefer to spend my money on a trip. That's why we love brands like BAGSMART, this video's sponsor. They combine great features and a fun style with affordability. Today we're chatting about some of their travel bags and accessories, starting with their new rolling luggage that came out today. It works so well because the Blast 43-liter roller backpack lets you decide how to haul it. This carry-on can be a backpack or a suitcase, depending on what you need during your trip. Got a long walk to your accommodations? Roll it. Gotta walk up 6 flights of stairs once you get there? Backpack it. It looks like your typical carry-on luggage with 2 rollerblade-like wheels and a sturdy handle that extends with the push of a button. It rolls smoothly, easily maneuvering around crowds and corners as you make your way through the airport. However, hiding behind the bottom of the bag are padded shoulder straps, which connect with large swivel clips to D-rings at its base. The bag's backside is actually a padded back panel, which cushions the feeling of the telescopic handle for added comfort when carrying the bag upstairs or over uneven surfaces. The harness system also includes a sliding sternum strap to take some weight off your shoulders. You don't need another small bag for the essentials either, since the roller backpack has 2 quick access pockets at the top. There's a larger one for earbuds, snacks, and keys, and a smaller fleece-lined pocket for your phone or sunglasses. There's a front pocket for up to a 15.6-inch laptop, a water bottle pocket on one side, and an RFID blocking pocket on the other for your wallet and passport. You have plenty of room to pack the bucket-like main compartment with clothing or packing cubes for a 3 to 5 day trip, and there are straps to hold everything in place, along with a few mesh pockets to store your accessories. Padded handles on the top and side of the bag make it easy to pull out of the overhead bin or your trunk when you reach your destination. And it's easy to pack away after your trip since you can collapse the bottom so the bag takes up less space in your closet. Roller bags aren't for everyone though. That's why we're digging the supportive harness system on the new Blast Pro 40-liter travel backpack. Along with a sternum strap, you get a padded hip belt and load lifters to add extra support. The back panel is lined with breathable mesh padding that's super cushy so you won't feel the outline of your laptop. It's stowed in a separate compartment adjacent to the back, where you'll also find a hidden RFID blocking pocket to secure your passport and wallet. If you're using this bag along with the suitcase for a longer trip, slide the luggage handle through the pass-through on the back and put your hydration in the side bottle pocket. There are plenty of other places for gear around the bag's exterior, including a large fleece-lined pocket on the top where I like to put things I need to access frequently, like headphones and a battery bank. You can stuff your extra layer in the mesh front pocket so you don't accidentally leave it in the bin after TSA. Then put extra accessories or paperwork in the well-organized front compartment admin panel, which has a lot of packable depth for larger items like a Nintendo Switch case. Inside the main compartment is even more organization. There's a water-resistant pocket for your toiletries or damp gear like a bathing suit, a mesh pocket for accessories, and a hidden shoe compartment that keeps your footwear away from your clean clothing. We like that it tucks away so that it doesn't take up room in the bag if you don't want to use it. We found that the hold-down straps do a good job at keeping apparel and packing cubes in place during transit, and the exterior materials are water and abrasion resistant to protect your gear as you travel. Plus, it comes in tons of fun colorways like oyster, black, shade blue, and green smoke. You won't want to leave home without some travel gear from BAGSMART, this video's sponsor. All of us here at Packhacker have been testing their gear for quite a while, and we found them to have some of the best affordable bags and accessories on the market. Whether you need a travel backpack, luggage, toiletry bags, or something else for your next trip, you can get it from BAGSMART. Their bags include useful features and durable materials that seem to belong on more expensive bags, making them a great value for those of us who'd rather spend more on our trips. And they come in so many different, vibrant colors that it's easy to find the right fit for your style. BAGSMART gear is designed to save you space, keep you organized, and help you keep it all together, no matter where you're headed. We appreciate that some bags are sold in accessory bundles, and their individual products work well together, making it easy to build your own travel set with their distinctive look and vibe. So be sure to check out BAGSMART when you're looking to stock up on gear for your next trip. Link in the description below. For a bag with easy access to all the gear you need on a trip, check out the Blast Travel Backpack. It comes in a standard and expandable design so you can choose your own adventure. While we have no issue packing for a long weekend with the bag at its 28-liter size, we like the expansion zipper because it gives you an extra 10 liters of storage for a longer trip. Keep it small and use it as a personal item, or expand it and use it as your carry-on. Regardless of the size you choose, this bag has plenty of pockets to help you organize your gear. The top has a large dump pocket with a zippered mesh pocket on its lid for smaller items you want to reach during your flight, and the front has a smaller horizontal pocket for your phone, wallet, and snacks. For anything larger like a book, journal, or e-reader, there's a vertical pocket that does the trick. There's also a side pocket for something slim like a battery bank, and one along the back panel for sensitive items like your passport. It's also got a separate compartment for your laptop and tablet, which opens completely flat for easy access to your devices, and a sizable water bottle pocket for your hydration. Everything else goes inside the main compartment, where you'll find straps to hold down your clothing and a built-in shoe pouch, though this one doesn't zip away like like the one on the Blast Pro 40-liter backpack. However, like with that larger bag, we find it best to use packing cubes and pouches for DIY organization and recommend completely filling the bag to give it some structure. And if you get the expandable version, you'll also get a clear pocket on the inside lid for damp or dirty clothing you want to keep separate. However, sometimes you want a bag that can give you even more space. The Blast Mesh Travel Backpack has a similar design but with mesh pockets that allow you to store more gear inside. Plus, the mesh is opaque, so no one at the airport will see what you have inside while you're walking around. The front pocket is a great spot for something like your packable neck pillow or an extra layer for the plane. When I took this thing on a flight, I used it to store my airplane snacks that usually get crushed when it's in a tighter pocket, specifically Cheez-Its. It was nice to be eating whole Cheez-Its and not just the crumbs because they got squished. Meanwhile, the bottle pocket easily fits a 40-ounce water bottle with room to spare. And those aren't the only stretchy parts. Like the Blast Travel Backpack, the expandable design takes you from personal item to carry-on size with a quick opening of a zipper. Then you can easily make the backpack fit your trip instead of the other way around. As for the rest of the gear, you've got lots of storage options. On top of that mesh pocket is another pocket for something larger like a book. There's also a side pocket for your phone, rear security pocket for your passport, top pocket for anything you want quick access to on the plane, and a laptop compartment that opens to lie flat with some space for gear. Its harness system is pretty comfortable too. It got me through a long trek through Boston Logan Airport without any shoulder or back pain. It was basically 10 minutes of high-speed walking from one end of the terminal to the other, and it made my flight, so no issues there. While there's not a ton of additional organization in the main compartment, you can use the clear pocket for damp gear like a bathing suit or washcloth, and the X-shaped tie-down straps inside hold your clothing or cubes in place when the bag is stuffed. Speaking of cubes, you'll need a set of organizers to go with all those travel backpacks. Luckily, the Blast Compression Travel Packing Cubes get you started on the path to better packing. The 6-piece set includes 1 large, 2 medium, and 2 small cubes. It also comes with a shoe pouch, which includes cinch straps so you can carry it like a backpack, and a mesh bottom to let sand and dirt fall off your sandals as they dry. Of course, that means you'll want to brush off your shoes before repacking them into your travel bag. The cubes themselves complement different types of carry-on luggage. If you're organizing a suitcase, you want to use the large cube to fit at least 2 pairs of pants and 2 hoodies. We find the 2 medium cubes ideal for travel backpacks, fitting 10 tops and 3 bottoms inside the pair. The smallest cubes give you plenty of space for socks and underwear, or you can use it for accessories like a scarf, swimsuit, or cover-up. The compression system is easy to use, allowing you to lock down the amount of space bulky clothing takes up, or to fit more clothing in your bag. The mesh accent at the top of each cube gives you a hint as to what's inside, and thanks to the carry handles at the top of each cube, it's easy to unpack at your destination or carry a cube to the restroom to change. It's also easy to tote this toiletry bag to the bathroom when it's time to get ready. Its design reminds us of a toolbox, and that's a good thing. It keeps your grooming tools organized and within easy reach when you're starting your day. The Blast 4.5-liter hanging toiletry bag has a padded top handle that's comfortable to carry, and when you open its water-resistant zippered lid, it flips up to reveal most of your gear. You'll also find a hook on the lid where you can hang the toiletry bag up to free up counter space, along with 2 PVC zipper pockets to keep wet tools like a razor and toothbrush from making everything else damp. The bucket space includes 3 elastics to hold bulky gear upright as you travel, and 5 mesh pockets for other gear like makeup, brushes, tweezers, and soap. There's room remaining in the center for everything else, from a hairbrush to an electric trimmer. While the liner material is easy to clean, you'll want to store your liquids and creams in the front pocket. It's lined with PVC for water resistance and has plenty of room for travel-size bottles. They may jumble around as you travel unless you stuff this section full though, so be sure to use bottles you trust not to leak. However, if they do, they won't spread to the rest of the bag or your clothing, thanks to the weather-resistant materials keeping them in check. So that's the gear we're getting from BAGSMART for our next trip. Have you tried any of their gear? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.